Hi, I'm Cody Sipe, and I'm going to take you through a level 3 workout today. I'm here with my friend and expert trainer, Shawna Kaminski from FemaleFatLossOver40.com. Now, Shawna might not look it, but Shawna is 50 years old and very fit. So, you know, at any age, you can get through these workouts, you can get fit, and maybe someday you're just going to be as awesome as Shawna here as she goes through our workouts. For today's workout, all you need is some tubing and a step or stair that you can use, and that is all. So as we go through our triple sets today, we're going to go through our triple sets twice, taking very little rest in between. Again, if you do need to take a rest, grab some water, pause the video, that's fine, you do it, but we're really trying to get you to where you can get through all of these all at one time. So we ready to get going?
I am.
Okay, so we're going to start with our stationary lunge with a reach, 12 each leg. So we're starting off with left leg here. Notice Shawna's taking a nice big step out, okay? But then she's reaching forward with her arms. A key for the reach, though, that you really want to be careful of is you'll notice her back position as she lunges forward and reaches, she doesn't round forward. She's not hunching forward. She is hinging at the hips, keeping still a good, nice, solid posture throughout her spine and core as she reaches down for her toes. If you can reach down and get down to your toes, then do that. But if not, you might just go to your knees. You might not get your knee all the way, your back knee all the way down to the ground, and that's okay. Go as far as you are comfortable with, but remember, always pushing yourself, always trying to get better, always trying to get stronger with these motions. And this is going to build later on for when we do some other lunging motions with some other challenges at the same time. All right, these are looking really good. Remember to continue to breathe. This has a little bit of a cardio component to it just because we're not stopping and going through all these all at once. Okay, 2 more. Okay, still looking good. Don't let that form break down now. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to do a karaoke. Karaoke. So on the karaoke, you're putting 1 foot in front, stepping to the side, and then 1 foot behind and stepping to the side. So front, side, front, side. Excellent. Okay, moving right in to the one-arm shoulder press. One-arm shoulder press. So a primary reason why we do one-arm exercise, you say, why don't you just do both at the same time? Okay, standing up nice and tall, standing on the tubing, just using the right arm now. The reason we do them one arm at a time is because it creates an imbalance on the body, okay? When you're using both at the same time, then you're equally weighted on both sides. Here, this is trying to pull Shawna over to the side, and so she's having to contract through the core to prevent that movement in what we call the frontal plane, which is lateral movement. Okay, now she's going to switch over to the other arm. Okay, racking at the shoulder, pressing all the way to the ceiling. Good upright posture again. I'm going to say that over and over again. Okay, brace throughout the midsection so it's not pulling you down. You should not lean to one side or the other while you do this. Come on, 2 more. You can do this. Relax. Okay, so we're going to go straight back to the top and go into our stationary lunge with a reach. Okay, now you're already going to be a little bit tired here. Okay, so we want to see if you can get through all 24 of these, so 12 each leg. Looks good, keep it going. That's it, good job. Do not let that form break down. Okay, maintain that form consistently throughout. Well, here's 8, you can do it. Almost there. Okay, 2 more. Come on, you can do it. 2 more. Last one here. And switch legs. Okay, you're breathing hard. You're getting a little hot. Might be getting a little sweaty. That's good. It means you're doing something. You're challenging yourself. You're always going to just keep getting better and better. If you need to drop out and take a rest, that's okay. Go ahead and do so. Then come right back in as soon as you can. Remember, we would much rather have you complete all the repetitions, okay, than just bail out in the middle and take a rest and never get back to it. So pause the video if you need to. Good job. 2 more. Last one. Okay, right into karaoke. cross front, cross behind, cross front, cross behind, okay? So notice how she's trying to keep her chest and shoulders facing forward, but she's moving the hips, okay? Rotating through the hips. That's it. Going into one arm shoulder press. All right, here we go. Okay. Adding a little variety, starting with the other side. Okay, that's it. Remember, do not let it pull you over to the side. Maintain good stability through the core. Try to contract through the midsection. I know sometimes that's difficult to do. It's not completely natural. Okay, but you can learn how to do it. You can work those muscles. One more. Good. She's really working hard here, working those shoulders. Now, one thing that you can do, if you find that it's with the tubing stretched to that amount, it's too difficult to press above your head, go ahead and give yourself a little bit more tubing on that side. Give yourself a little bit of slack so that you can get through all of your repetitions. Here we go. 2 more. Last one. All right, good job. Okay, take a quick breather here, and I'll get us into our next triple set. Okay, we're going to be doing the standing one-arm row, doing an under-the-rope movement, and then standing one-arm chest press. So again, we're going to do 2 one-arm movements, again, for the purposes to create that imbalance in the body that you have to fight against. Okay, so go ahead and drop this handle out. Okay, all right, so she's in a lunge position here, or split stance position. Okay, one arm at a time, one arm at a time. Okay, we're still working on that area in between the shoulder blades, but now I should just really feel that one shoulder blade really doing most of the motion, okay? Really moving into my hand, crushing that can in between. Notice how her shoulders are staying in the same position. She's not rotating her trunk, okay? Now later we might work on some trunk rotation, but here we're trying to create stability. That is no movement through the core while we're rowing with that arm. Good. Here we go. A few more. Last one. Excellent. Okay, under the rope. Imagine that there's a rope right here, and you're having to duck under that rope. So get your legs wide. Okay, really dip down as low as you can. This is a little bit an exercise that you go as low as you're able to, okay? So if you can't get down that far, that's okay, but if you can get down almost all the way to the ground, then go as low as you can. Good job. Right back to the tubing, one arm chest press, one arm chest press. So same split stance position, one arm at a time. That's it. No trunk movement, or as little trunk movement as you can. Really requiring all those trunk stabilizers to react, to keep that spine in a good position while you go through this motion. 2 more, and 1 more, there you go. All right, switch sides. That's it. So I'm not specifying which leg you need to have forward, but when you switch arms, just switch legs. Whichever leg you had forward, then go ahead and switch it up. That's it. Adjust yourself and the resistance as you need to. Get further away or closer to the wall to make it harder and easier. Last one. Okay, flip right around, going back into the standing row. Okay, this is where it's going to get a little bit tougher, going through the second set here. That's it. Continue to breathe. Breathe while you do these. Never hold your breath while you're doing these types of exercises. That's it. Good job, Shawna. Just maintaining good form throughout. You can do the same at home. Work on that form. Okay, you're going to get a rest in just a minute, so keep working through this. Halfway there. Two more. Keep it going. Last one. Okay, under the rope, under the rope. All right, can you go a little bit lower this time? Try to challenge yourself, getting a little bit lower. Keep those legs really wide. Dipping up under that rope. That's it. There you go. Those legs are going to get tired. Those hips are going to fatigue. Keep working them. Make them work. Excellent. One arm chest press. Here we go. Good, straight ahead. Really making that chest, shoulder, tricep work. At the same time, working that front of the trunk as well. Excellent. Almost there. Keep it going. Come on, Shawna, you got it. Last one. Good. Switching arms. That's it. Good. Adjust yourself away from the wall as much as you need to. Excellent job. You got this. Keep it going. Very good. Last one. Good. And relax. Okay, a little bit of a break. We're going to do this next triple set. Okay, we're going to do an angled pull down, straight leg march, and then we're going to go into step ups with a knee and an arm raise at the same time. Okay, you ready to go? All right, so we want our tubing preferably up high now. So go ahead and adjust it so it's above your head. You're going to get in a, go ahead and get in a good wide position with your feet. Squat down just a little bit in a good athletic position, okay? Doing reciprocating arm movement. So you see both arms are moving opposite directions simultaneously. So we've got 24 total here. Good. Again, good stabilization through the trunk, not allowing herself to be pulled forward. Really maintain that good posture. Good job. Straight leg march, straight leg march. So keeping the leg straight, marching straight across as high as you can get it. Now your hamstring flexibility might limit you here. Your balance might limit you here, so be careful with this. And now she's going to show a toe touch here. So if you can actually keep those arms up and do a toe touch, go ahead and do that. But if not, just keep it low and in control, whatever you're able to do. All right, good job. Now we're going to go to a step up with an arm and knee raise. So on this one, as she drives her left knee up, the right arm is going to the ceiling. By raising her arm, and by raising your arm at home, you're raising your center of gravity. And the more you raise your center of gravity, the more difficult the challenge is on balance, okay? So this is really going to challenge the ankle a lot more. While you go through this, pause at the top. Hold it for just a split second. What we don't want to do is just to drive it up quickly and come back down. We want to make sure that we are on that leg, that one leg, at least for a short period of time to make that work. These are looking good. One more time.
12.
That's it. Now we're going to switch to the other leg. Got to reverse it now. That's it. Left leg up. Drive right. Good. Left leg up. Driving right. Now, one thing that's also good to do is when you do these sorts of exercises is to start with your weaker leg. Okay, really focus on that because you want that weaker side to be worked when you have the most energy. Okay, so you can really get through those repetitions. So if you feel like one side is weaker than the other, then one tip is to really work on that weaker leg first. Okay, a couple more here. Good job. Good job raising those arms. One more time. And back down. Excellent. So now we're going to go into a reverse plank, okay? Into a side plank, okay, on our knees. So for this, what I want you to do is find a step or maybe a small step ladder, something that's just a few inches to maybe a foot off the ground. You don't want something that's really tall like a chair, okay, at this point. Go ahead and stay with something low on your back, pressing your hips up so that you are straight as a board, holding for 10 seconds, okay?
9, 10.
That's it. Now we're going to go straight into a side plank from the knees, okay? So she's on her knees now, on the side, shoulder is stabilized with the arm. Good. Rolling over to the next side. Good. So remember, keep breathing. After doing the step-ups and getting your breathing going a little bit, it's more difficult to do these stabilizing exercises because you want to lose that abdominal control while you breathe. Okay, back to the reverse plank again. Okay, good. Straight body. If you can, go ahead and raise your arms above you, Shawna. There you go. Now we're taking those arms out for stabilization, making it a little bit more difficult.
9, 10.
There you go. Onto the side. Okay, we're almost there. We've got this side. The next side, we're going to finish with a tubing hold.
5, 6, 7,
Very good. Almost there. That's it. Roll it over. Last one this side.
1, 2,
Good.
4, 5,
Straight line, shoulders to knees. Very good stability here.
9, 10.
That's it. Okay, pop up. We're going to go right back to our tubing. This is our last exercise for this routine. And we're going to do an ISO hold with press outs. So nice wide base. Pull the tubing into your midsection and then just slowly press out and come back. Press out and come back. Okay, we're doing this for 10 seconds. Do not allow your body to rotate. Okay, switch around to the other side. Pull it out. Now just pressing out away from your body. As you press out away from your body, it creates more leverage, so it becomes more difficult for you. So only press out as far as you're comfortable with. Okay, over to the other side again. Got 10 seconds each side and you're going to be done. Continue to breathe. Don't hold your breath. We want you to be able to kind of clamp down through the midsection, stabilize your trunk, but still maintain your breathing capacity. Okay, last one here. 10 more seconds. Keep it going. Good. Nice wide base. There you go. And relax. Woo! And you're done. Breathe a little bit. Breathe a little bit. Catch your breath. It's difficult to do some of these exercises completely straight in a row, but as you get more endurance built up and more stamina, you're going to find this is going to become easier and easier for you to do. So remember, go ahead and follow your functional flexibility routine to end with while your muscles are warm. Get some water, take a break. You deserve it, and we'll see you next time.